how did you like our work?
So hi guys, this is already the second project what we do with Mr. Usman, with Mr. Malek Usman. So this is already the second unit where we're doing the renovation, installing the kitchen, and I like this style of the kitchen so much that I ordered the same kitchen for the same layout of apartment second time. So we have here, so kitchen in general, everything installed inside, it's everything high-end, very simple, very modern. Of course, this is a studio, and I choose, it was very important to take care about the machines, which one you take, it should be very silent. So the worktop done as one piece here. I don't like these gaps like by marble, so this type of, but it depends on the taste, of course. From A to Z, everything hidden, everything hydraulic, automatic closing here. I'm very happy, very recommended. Thank you, Mr. Sergai. Thank you, Mr. Malek. Thank you, Mr.